Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Hey guys, so a quick update here regarding the upcoming AMO 23 Ultra. Ulefone disclosed at the IFA 2023 events that took place in Berlin that they've actually redesigned the AMO 23 Ultra. This is what it looks like before on the left, and this is what it looks like right now. Some of its specs has been changed as well. According to the new specs released by Ulefone, the AMO 23 Ultra, which is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, would now be powered by the Dimensity 8020, which is great. The 8 Gen 1 is known for its overheating issues. I think that's probably the reason why Ulefone redesigned and rebuilt the AMO 23 Ultra. Some of its other specs has been changed as well. Before, the device is said to have 16 GB RAM, but now it's going to have 12 GB RAM and it's going to support virtual RAM expansion of up to 12 GB. Its internal storage is also going to be 256 GB. Before, it is 1 TB. Now it's 256 GB. It has been changed, but it's still going to support a two-way satellite messaging. The device, according to Ulefone, would have a 50MP flagship main camera, 50MP ultra wide angle camera, 64MP night vision camera, and an 8MP telephoto lens. This combination is insane. This is just insane. The device will also be backed by a 4950 mAh battery. It's going to support 120 watts fast charging and 50 watts super fast wireless charging. The device would also run on the latest Android 13. Its thickness is 12.75 millimeters. It's going to support 3 card slots, which is great. That is, you can use 2 SIM cards on this phone and a micro SD card separately. The phone is also going to support 5G connectivity because the Dimensity 8020 is a 5G processor. The device is still packed with tons of cool features, guys. And of course, the device would be rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also going to be military grade standard H10H certified. These specs have been changed, but it doesn't change the fact that the AMO 23 Ultra would still be a flagship beast when it is released. I don't know when it's going to be released, but it's still going to be a flagship beast. So this is just the quick update I want to share with you guys. What do you think about this new AMO 23 Ultra? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. The Ulefone AMO 24 was unveiled at the IFA 2023 event. This is going to be the successor of the Ulefone AMO 22. That is if the Ulefone AMO 23 Ultra is never released. But I think we might see the AMO 23 Ultra. Anyway, this is the AMO 24. As you can see, it's a very bulky device because it packs a really large battery. According to the details, the device has a 22,000 mAh battery. Also, the device features a camping light at the back, which means it is one of the few rugged phones with a bright LED flashlight at the rear. So let's quickly talk about the features of this rugged phone. The device has a 6.78-inch IPS LCD screen with full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. I don't know if the display is protected by any kind of protection, but it seems the screen is scratch resistant. The device is military grade standard H10H certified. It is also IP68 and IP69K rated. Like I mentioned earlier, this phone packs a 22,000 mAh battery. Thankfully, the device is paired with a 66 watt fast charger, which is great. The charger will definitely be able to charge such a massive battery at a reasonable speed. In the camera department, the phone seems to have a 64MP primary sensor. The specs of the other sensors are not reviewed for now, but the image here reveals that the device might have up to 3 sensors, but the main sensor is 64MP. The device has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It supports OTG, face unlock, NFC, and others like that. This phone is also expected to ship with the latest Android 13. It's going to be the stock version of Android, which means no bloatware, and you'll be getting the latest features and security updates. According to the details, it seems this phone will be powered by the Helio G96, which is, in my opinion, not really great, but there's nothing we can do about it. The Helio G96 is not that bad. So these are the top features of the Ulefone Nano 24. I'd also like to give credit to Mobilissimo. They were fortunate enough to be present at the IFA 2023 event, and they were able to get a live hands-on of the Ulefone Nano 24. So it's the video I'm showing you guys right now. Anyway, this is the Nano 24. It's coming very soon. I don't know the exact date, I don't know its price, but we're expecting to see this device this year, and I believe it's going to be available for a very cheap price. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Ulefone Nano 24. Share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.